Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change downloads folder location on Windows 10 or 11. Let's go. What you need to do is open your File Explorer application. By the way, if you don't have the Explorer icon on your taskbar, you can always click on the Windows logo or hit Windows key on your keyboard and search for File Explorer. And now right click on the icon in the taskbar and pin to taskbar if it's not pinned. Now stay on the Home tab and right click on the Downloads folder. Go to Properties, find the Location tab, click on Move over here, and now you can change location of your Downloads folder. Let's say move to USB drive. Now select folder and OK to save your changes. Now you need to answer this question. Do you want to move all of the files from the old location to the new location? Let's say no. Now downloads is in different location. It's not on your system drive anymore, but if you remove USB drive from your PC, let's do it. Downloads folder is not available anymore, but you still can download different items. Let's test it. Let's say I wish to download Zoom. Let's download 64-bit. Downloading. Now you can anyway open the downloads folder and it's saved to the old location anyways. So I don't recommend you to use removable drives for downloads, and anytime you can go back to your Explorer, right click on downloads, go to Properties and restore default location. Now apply or OK. Once again answer this question. Let's say no. It's moved but still named as D, but you just need to restart your PC to fix this issue. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.